Dear friends, as we all know, the market research industry has been in India for over half a century now. Face-to-face interviewing has been and continues to be done in majority of the interactions that we do for data collection, even today. An unprecedented event happened in March this year, the COVID-19 lockdown. All face-to-face interviewing stopped, and our freelance interviewers were completely without work. At MRSI, looking at this particular situation, we decided to do something, and for the first time at an industry level, we mobilized the efforts for this particular vulnerable segment. With 9 member agencies, we collated data of roughly 3,600 interviewer beneficiaries who we realized are likely to suffer severe consequences if they were not supported by income from market research. To this effect, we set up this initiative called Market Research Freelance Interviewers Relief Fund. This project also involved our charity partner, Habitat for Humanity, to ensure that all the funds that were collected and distributed happened in a transparent and a very, very clean manner. Getting the funds collected was the next challenge. Of course, there were some disappointments that came in. Given the crisis, not everybody could support to the extent that they wanted. However, there were enough and more occasions when we were overwhelmed by the generosity of the donors that sort of came in. These were people who came from far and wide. Some of them have not even been connected with the MR industry in India for years together. Overall, a total of 183 donors came in, 150 individuals, while the other 33 were corporates. A few special mentions in the corporate donors were Nielsen, Hindustan Unilever, Godrej, Crownit, and Hansa. While the disbursement of the fund was one of the objectives met, we collected about 76 lakhs of total fund to be distributed amongst these people at a time when they needed it most. But apart from this whole fund drive, what was exceptionally touching about this particular initiative was the fact that the entire industry and the well-wishers sort of came together and contributed in a manner never seen before. It generated so much of positivity and collaboration and a feeling of belonging amongst all of us that most of us actually felt regular lumps at multiple occasions. I would want to take this particular occasion to thank everyone who sort of came in, contributed with their time, with the efforts, with cash, with everything possible to make this entire project successful. I would particularly want to thank all my fellow managing committee members at MRSI and the key members at the MRSI Secretariat to make this entire thing happen. I really appreciate your time listening through this, but I cannot thank all of you enough for having driven this kind of initiative at this kind of a manner and at a time when this is really needed the most. Thank you very much. Look forward to staying in touch with all of you. Thank you.